This is example number 4. This time our formula is b equals the square root of c over d. What is the effect on b if we multiply c by 9? So if we multiply c by 9, then that's like b equals the square root of, and instead of c on the top line, it will be 9c over d. That means b equals the square root of 9 times c over d. Now we'll have the number 9 inside the square root sign. If we take it out, then we must take the square root of 9. So that means b equals 9, square root of 9 is 3. 3 times the square root of c over d. So what we have in this line is exactly the same as the top line, only we are multiplying by 3. So the question was, what is the effect on b if we multiply c by 9? Well, in this case, b is multiplied by 3. And that's our final answer. This is example number 5, the last example. This time we're going to look at the formula R equals P divided by I squared. This is a physics formula for calculating the resistance when we know the power P and the current I. So R equals P divided by R squared. Our question this time is, what is the effect on the resistance R if we double the current I? So this time we're going to double I. Writing the formula down again, we have R equals P over, and this time we are going to double I, which is 2I, and we know that that is being squared. So we have R equals P over 2I all squared. So the next line, R equals P over, then we have 2I squared. So first of all, 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4, and I squared. So now we have R equals P over 4I squared. Now this is similar to the previous example, the one where we looked at speed, distance and time, where we had the number 2 on the top line. This time we have the number 4, but it's on the bottom line. We want to know the effect on R. So what we want is the same formula as the first line, only some multiple at the front showing the effect. So what we have is R equals P over 4I squared, and if you think about it, that's exactly the same as R equals 1/4 times P over I squared. 1 times P gives us P on the top line, and 4 times I squared gives us our 4I squared on the bottom. So the question was, what is the effect on R if we double I? Well, if we look at this line, it's exactly the same formula as the top line, only this time we are multiplying by 1/4. So if we double I, then the resistance R is quartered. Or in other words, R is divided by 4. And that's our final answer.